Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. But this video today is a little bit different. It is a food video, and I have not done a food video for a very long time. So I did a reel over on my Instagram page of what I had for dinner tonight, and so I wanted to bring it to you. So we made taco bowls, low can't even talk right, low carb taco bowls, and who does not love tacos? I personally, that is like my number one favorite food is tacos, Mexican food, enchiladas, the whole shebang. So I wanted to bring this meal prep to you. So before we jump right into it, I can't even talk right, please hit the subscribe button, and please also don't forget to ring the bell, and please like this video. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result, and I hope that you enjoyed that little cooking video, low carb taco bowl that I brought over from Instagram, my Instagram, as a reel to you guys. I love tacos. That's my favorite meal of all time. I just love it. Who doesn't love tacos? And it's very low carb friendly. So that's a good thing. Also, I wanted to throw out there that if you wanted to make it keto friendly, you could do away with the taco bowl and just do it without, which I did for second helpings. So please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video every single time. First come, first serve. And if you want to see more cooking recipes or cooking videos, please comment down below cooking video or more recipes or something. I will try to put the recipe on how we made it down below. So thanks for watching.